But now, so today we've got a pretty sick video coming because Matt has done a buy.
I know, I'm so scared to take this on.
I'm really excited. Obviously it's for Matt's car, but I'm well excited.
I'm really nervous.
Excuse my hair, cause
yeah, it's a bit
all over the place, but it's my birthday.
On Monday.
Let's go!
I think I'll be able to get anything in there. Don't want to touch my phone. Now this is difficult. Ooh.
It's not as easy as before, is it, Matt? Basically, the only way to get a Corsa D grill off is to snap every single clip you can. You've got the middle one there.
That's it. I'll snap them.
And I'm doing the holding this side because I've already popped it back in once too many times. This does cut the circulation off a little bit. Well, hey! It's off!
I didn't break that many, to be fair.
No.
They do, though. They just take it off and leave it.
That looks rubbish, though. So, do you want to do a little bit of talking about your grill? Well, you don't want to tell anyone where you got it from, do you?
Well, that's the old one. That's the new one.
So, this is Vauxhall. This is the new Opel one. And can we just say this is a genuine part, isn't it?
This is genuine. I've spent about 8 months trying to find this.
And he spent a lot of money, believe it or not, on just one bit of plastic.
And now I don't want to break this.
Yeah, but you won't break it. It hasn't got clips at the bottom though, has it?
It does.
Oh, it does.
They're in the exact same.
To be honest, you could put that on if you really wanted to again. It wouldn't be ideal, but you could. Oh, it looks beast already. Did you say you're going to clean it?
I was going to clean the back.
Well, why don't you?
Oh, okay.
We've got time.
Oh, it's a tight fit.
You're right. How did you even do that?
I'm not.
Got it on one side, didn't you? Oh. Watch out, Matt. I know he's coming out. Oh, that is so good. What?
It's not very good.
Right, Matt, wait a minute, don't look. Oh, I was going to do like a little quick reveal. Look at it. What?
I don't know, it's different, really. I thought I tightened it up a bit much. Oh, it does have the vent.
Oh, they must be on there already then.
Maybe it's on the corner. I need to get up to go with the broke ones.
Well, that is how you do it, kids. Get a couple of knives, break some tabs off some clips, and you're good to go.